check it out.
Run away!
Hi, I'm Quinn from the South Columbus Public Library, and today we're going to be finding out what you can eat in nature, because reading is adventurous. So, using these resources, these books from the library, we're going to find out what we can and can't eat in nature. So, we're going to go see what we can find. It looks like we found some berries. Let's see what we got here. These are heavenly bamboos, and they are not edible. They would actually be poisonous to eat. So do not eat these. And here we have some wild honeysuckle, which is also edible. What you're going to want to do is take the middle parts and put it in your mouth like so. And you should be able to taste the flavor. And here we have a dandelion. The leaves from the dandelion are edible, and they can also be dried to make a tea. So if you have time, you can dry them and make a tea. Let's see what one of these leaves tastes like. It's all right, but edible. And that's just a couple things that you can grab while you're on a nature walk or just on a walk through your neighborhood. But also make sure to use these resources to make sure you know what you can and can't eat. Once again, I'm Quinn from the South Columbus Public Library, here to remind you that reading is adventurous.
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.